for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, bucket seats, electronic stability control, fog lamps, heated steering wheel, power windows, heated front seats, compass, trip computer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.